Hey guys, what's going on? It's Meshi with Path to Wellness with Meshi. Welcome back for another video. I'm so glad that you are here. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be setting up our journal for the month of September. So September happens to be a really busy month for me personally. So I thought that I would just make my life a little bit easier and actually use my Happy Planner. It's been a little bit since I kind of decided that I'm going to be slowly transitioning into this planner, but I think I'm going to be using this planner more for like setting up my month and really just trying to organize my month and my weeks first. And I will still continue to use my bullet journal for like some of the day-to-day things and everything else that I kind of want to keep track of. So I have a bunch of different sticker sets. I'm going to be linking them down in the description so you can take a look. But I'm new to Happy Planner, so I thought that, we would just kind of go ahead and have some fun in setting up the month of September, as it happens to be one of the busiest months of the year. If not, it almost trumps December. But before we get right into the planning, I thought that I would just take a moment to welcome you. If you are brand new here, welcome. I'm so glad that you are here. We usually chat about 2 to 3 times a week, and once a week I update you on a vlog section as well. And we talk about bullet journal setups, we talk about spiritual practices and what's happening with the moon, and anything and everything that has to do with living a more consciously driven life. So if that sounds good to you, you're going to love it here and you can join the tribe. So make sure that you subscribe, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Okay, so obviously the month of September is going to be a busy one. We're right in the middle of making some massive changes in my brick and mortar, my wellness clinic, as well as both of my children are going back to school. So that's going to be kind of an interesting one, as my youngest is now old enough to get into school. So big changes, big shifts. So this month I thought that I would actually just try out my Happy Planner, see how it goes, see how we can kind of set it up, play around with some stickers and just kind of arrange things a little bit differently. Because honestly, I did not see myself drawing too much for this month. Honestly, there's just way too much that's happening. And so I gave myself a little bit of grace of just going with something a little bit easier. So I love how it turned out. I think that I'm going to stick with it. And if you are brand new to Happy Planner and using a Happy Planner, let me know in the comments what sticker sets you're using that you have found useful. I would love to kind of find out, because there's just so many different ones out there and some of them are more useful to me than others. But I would love to hear your take on it, especially if you've been using a Happy Planner for a while. Okay, without keeping you here much longer, why don't we just put some music on and then we can kind of walk through my thought process of how I set it up. Okay, so to get started, I started with the cover page and I'm going to be using the Free Spirit kit. And I started with the bottom left hand corner. It just kind of gave you a prompt for scripture, so I changed that to a mantra. Then at the very top, I covered it with a sticker that says Free Spirit. So I'm hoping that I can kind of put like a really nice quote there. And I had these really beautiful mandala flowers, so I just put those on. And in the top, I covered up basically what it said in there with the washi tape. And the small little sticker just says, just keep focusing on the good. Now, quickly on to the weekly setup. I mean, this is the monthly setup, not the weekly setup. On the side, you will see basically a tracker that I'm going to be using of like the main goals that I would like to focus on for the month. But I decided that I'm not going to be keeping the way that I have the days of the week set up. I really wanted to do something different and creative. So I'm trying out washi tape once again. We'll see how it goes. It wasn't exactly the easiest thing to work with. I'm not set up for this yet properly. It's okay. I decided to take the pages out finally. I clued in how to actually set these up. And I'm just basically covering up the top section here where all the days are, and I put stickers over it, which I think looks really cute. Now, once that was done, honestly, I spent the majority of my time just going through the different sticker kits. Here, I'm actually using the sticker kit that I got that says Super Mom. It ends up being really helpful because it gives you like a to-do list. It has like a little banner for the weekend and like lots of little like sticky note type of things that you can kind of put on pretty much everywhere. So for the main one that I used one on the weekend for the 7th that says I need a nap, because usually by the weekend I'm pretty wiped out. The following week, I'm noting when school actually begins, which I'm pretty sure that all of you parents out there, you're going to be celebrating that day with a glass of wine, maybe a bottle, who knows, we'll find out. But nevertheless, that's where like the actual school starts, is for the week of the 8th. And I'm also noting the moon cycles. So on the 13th of September, we'll have the full moon in Pisces and the new moon in Libra on the 27th. And you might not be able to see all the stickers, but that's okay. I did not realize that I needed to move my camera over. So I spent way too much time just looking through all of the different sticker books. The main ones that I ended up using a lot is the Free Spirit and the Mini, the Planner Basics, and the Super Mom. Those are the 3 main ones that I used for the monthly setup, and then I'm using a little bit different setup for the weekly. It was so nice to find like the actual astrological sign for the different astrological signs. So it was kind of nice how I found a sticker for Pisces. I don't know, I just put it kind of into perspective that, you know, something is shifting in the cosmos. It was kind of cool. And of course, Mercury is going to be in Libra and Venus for the following day, so I wanted to note that as well. Again, you can't really see it, but in the bottom of the page, I put in a quote that says, "Life isn't about finding yourself, life is about creating yourself." How very fitting. And then right above that, it's right on the 27th, it says new moon in Libra, because I wanted to make sure that I have all the dates for all the moon cycles, which I'm a little bummed that the Happy Planner does not include that, but I mean, I guess they wanted it to be fully customizable, so I understand. And I added a little arrow for the first day of autumn, which is end up being the autumn equinox, where the sun also enters in Libra. So I'm adding little sticky notes and stickers on there to be able to note that. I got really creative here with, I don't know why. Apparently stickers are this amazing thing for me right now at the moment, where I just want to embrace it.
Hey, I'm here for you. Are you reading every message I send to you? Love is overdue.
Okay, thought process on the weekly. But first of all, I realized that I really didn't like the green, so I decided to kind of cover it up as we're entering into like the back to school season, but still wanted to be a little bit more colorful. The second happens to be Labor Day, so just a quick reminder to take it easy. And of course, I got like these little stickers from Michaels, the little llamas with like the multicolors. I thought they were adorable. And I'm also using, I believe it's the weekly sticker kit, is the Sweet Kawaii Designs. And they just have so many colorful, really vibrant, really bright colored stickers on there, so I have to go there. They become really enjoyable to end up working with them. So I added a little sticker that says reminder, and of course we're back to back to work on Tuesday on the 3rd. And so I wanted to add like little areas where I can put in my actual work schedule, but then still kind of decorate it. And I wanted to keep it very light and very colorful because, you know, it's still kind of summer. Like school hasn't officially started yet, but at the same time, we're kind of shifting into the fall weather. So I wanted this weekly spread to sort of reflect that. And then for Friday, I added a couple of little notes. For Sunday, I'm just leaving a quick note to plan your week and to win your week. And for Friday, I had like a little sticker that said grocery shopping and gym, because those are the days that I would actually like to do those things. And then I've done the unthinkable for the bottom. I think that this is designed more to like sort of like a banner where it just takes the entire bottom row out, and I kind of cut it up and made that into two. I think it was an epic mistake. It kind of looks weird, but I made peace with it. It leaves me enough place for notes, I guess, in the bottom right hand corner. But overall, we're getting there. I think I like the color scheme. I really love like all of the cute little elements of the llama and the little quote and hooray for the weekend. That sticker is coming up, don't you worry. For now, I'm just working on adding more washi tape to just sort of cover up that color green. So I had like this really thin mini washi tape with all the little hearts, which I thought are really cute. And then you will see on the edge, I kind of covered it up with pink polka dots because pink kind of goes with the pink llama, don't you think?
About to leave.
For the record, I would like to add that working with that washi tape that you're seeing right here, it was a struggle and a half. And also I have a new level of appreciation for high quality washi tapes at this point. We made it work, but I definitely had to take my time so that I don't really rush through it, because otherwise it just kind of broke off. I think that there's something going on with the glue. It was just not hanging on as well as I would like. Here we go with the pink polka dots as promised. This to me just kind of made the entire look so cute, and it brought everything together. I added a couple more just sticky notes, one that says today, so I can add like little things to focus on or like a goal for today, and I really love those little elements. I was kind of thinking of adding something for books that I'm reading, but I kind of changed my mind because honestly I thought that it was just a little bit too much. So I felt like something was missing, so I went back into the Supermom kit once again, and I wanted something for the weekend first of all, so I added this little banner thing called Hooray for the Weekend, which I thought is really, really cute. It just kind of brings the weekend together. And for the life of me, I went through like so many of these kits just to find something as a to-do type of thing for Sunday. Finally, I found it. It's purple. And when you kind of look at the overall color scheme, it's green and purple, which is of course my favorite. I think it looks really cute. For the life of me, it took forever. Oh, and it took me absolutely forever to find that one sticker that says gratitude. I mean, the struggle is real, ladies. The struggle is absolutely real. But I will tell you guys all about this one new kit that I got, and that has all of these little duochrome colors. Here I have the one that says goals, which, you know, that's all I need really for a Sunday. And finally, from the looks of it, we're pretty much finished. Maybe not. We're still looking through some more stickers. Yes, I wanted one more for Thursday where it can just be like a little to-do list. Thank you so much for taking the time to join me in this video. I hope that you have enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments what your favorite thing is from Happy Planner. If you are using it or if you're still using your bullet journal, I would love to hear from you. And also, like, what are your sticker recommendations? Which is kind of a redundant question, but if you have been using Happy Planners, I'm pretty sure you have some sticker suggestions that, you know, a newbie like me could use. So let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. And in the meanwhile, you guys, if you are brand new and you like this video, you already know what to do. You can give me a thumbs up, you can subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video. And just keep seeking, you guys. Just keep journaling, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye.